like a child, like bringing leaves home and rocks and, you know, all that stuff. Good morning. One of my strongest passions in life is to inspire you to live life more creatively. And in many ways, I haven't been taking my own advice. One of the things I would tell anybody is to start, no matter how much experience you have, how good you think you are. And I have been, I've been holding myself up to a standard with making videos and creating content online that I can't meet in my own eyes, and so it's just prevented me from doing something. So I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm gonna start anyways. I hope you'll come along. It would mean so much to me, and also I'm doing it for me to break out of this box that I'm putting myself in. I haven't had coffee yet, or tea. I haven't decided either, obviously. So we're gonna start there. So the coffee's still brewing. It's almost there. Today, what I want to do is get something outside that I can bring inside to decorate a little bit for the holidays. Let's go find some Christmas decorations. Okay, so I've picked up some acorns, which oak trees and acorns and harvesting them is something that instantly makes me feel like I have a place, like I have home, and that's something that has been challenging for me or is a current challenge for me in moving to a new country. But acorns, it's a relationship that I started to build in a program that I was in, and I found a few that have already sprouted, and I might try to sprout them further and grow little acorn trees, and then maybe plant them somewhere, oak trees, and plant them somewhere. To be continued. So I really want to find a few pine trees. We won't have a Christmas tree, so I'm thinking it would be a nice way to represent that in the van. I'm really happy to find pine cones! So we're back in the van, and I have string, I have some needles and thread, possibly, and everything that I picked up. I feel like a child like bringing leaves home and rocks and, you know, all that stuff. So I'm struggling a little bit to figure out what I want to create, and thinking that first I thought I was going to make a garland, but I think something more wreath-like would be nice. It's funny looking. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. So this is what I'm left with. It's simple, it's small, but it makes the space feel more, feels more like the holidays. Video, blah, 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 blah. Do you want to learn a funny tip about emptying the coffee from your espresso maker? What are these things called again? Turn it upside down. Seriously, my husband did that one day and I was all, what? All of you are gonna be like, yeah, duh. I believe you're creative.